Hey beauties, how are you doing? I am doing really good. It is the middle of this self-distancing craziness, and we are at the BoxyCharm for help me out here. What month are we in? April? This is definitely April because Jeremy just had his birthday. Yes, this is April, and we have our BoxyCharm. And Bella took this exact moment to bark. Okay. Sprayed this down with Lysol and let it sit. So I am touching it now. I did open it earlier, but that's a big thing, and I sanitized afterwards. But this has been sitting and being germed free. So I also have my sanitizer sitting by. After I get done, I can clean my hands just to be sure that nothing is going to kill me today. So let's just open this up and see what we have. It's a very light box this week. We have a Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. It is a 20% off code for a makeup eraser. I probably won't be using that. A coupon code, and then here is a description. What do we have first? Is this it? Yes. So this is something I always keep when it comes in the boxes, is any pore professional things. I have pores for days, so I like to try all the new things. This is from Benefit. I love Benefit. Benefit is something that I stand behind their company. This is oil-free, silky smooth, lightweight 12-hour hydration. And it is the Pore Professional Hydrate Primer. Hydrates face primer to minimize the look of pores. And this retails for $32. This is the cute little packaging. It says, to use, apply to face and blend with fingertips, wear alone or under makeup as a primer. And it does have the little safety thing. And it is definitely a color I could use. And it goes on very smooth and clear to my skin tone. I will definitely be using that. Yes. I have scars. This is not bumps. This is not acne. This is scars. And it's from allergies because spring hates me. So, yeah. But that has nothing to do with this. It's just me checking it out in the mirror. And I saw that you know what? And I know you saw me checking it out, so that's why I did it. We're not talking about it anymore. We've addressed it, and we're moving on. So, Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer. The box is adorable, of course. But we don't need the box anymore because I am keeping this. I'm setting it aside. So, we're moving on to the Zoeva eyeshadow palette. This retails for this retails for $28. It's a very pretty packaging. It's caramel meringue. I'm probably not saying that right. I can't talk. I can't pronounce. I can read, but I can't say it out loud. Oh, these colors are very pretty, but I actually have basically palettes with these colors. I don't know this brand. I don't know how they cover. I don't want to do swatches because I do believe I am going to put this in a giveaway, because just keeping this would be like keeping something just to be keeping it. Oh, I forgot to put the cover back in. Oh, why? And since I do have, let me see if I can grab. I mean, they're not exactly the same, but like, look at these. These are so similar. So very similar. And I have other palettes that have similar colors as well. I would rather give it to you guys that may not have a palette with these colors. So when I'm talking about a giveaway, I'm thinking about the beginning of summer, which is right around the corner. And so I do need to fill up a giveaway. So I'm going to put that over there to put in my giveaway. And like I said, that is a $28 value. Okay, so Iconic London Illuminator. Okay, so this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop to this super concentrated shimmer glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blended glow. This is $41. I'm thinking this is way too bright. I mean, you know, not bright, but like dark for me. You saw I did not touch anything. Oh. If I put this on my face, it would look like I was trying to paint myself a different color. So that's going to go in the giveaway. Yeah, definitely going to go in the giveaway. That's way too dark for me. I mean, look, if I put that on my face, that's just not going to work. Has anybody ever used the lavender Neutrogena wipes for nighttime? They smell amazing. I have been really not on my game. I don't know if I'll ever go back to the originals, honestly. These lavender ones smell so good and they're so soothing. So good and so soothing. So now I'm not glittered. I should put that on my face and be like, look at me. So yes, that is like $41. That's a good, somebody's gonna look really good in that. So the next thing we have is a Dose of Color Lip It Up Stain Lipstick. It's richly pigmented formula in between a matte and a creamy finish. The shade is Glazed. Is that the shade of it? It's cruelty-free, talc-free, paraffin-free, and vegan. That's so pretty. Oh, it's my shade. It has like a little funky smell on it, but okay, so the third thing is Tony Moly I'm Really Sheet Mask. It's replenish your skin with I'm Real Sheet Mask. The three-layer pulp sheet is filled with natural ingredients and soaked in different types of enriched essence to yield maximum hydration for your skin. Transforms dull and tired skin into healthy, moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. It says $9. I don't know if they're $9 each or $9 in a 3-pack. It does not say. So we have a I'm Lotus mask sheet, and it says it's for illuminating. We have a calming I'm Hemp mask sheet, and it's for calming. Sorry, I almost like. And then we have a I'm Cactus mask sheet for purifying. So I need all of these, so I'm excited to use these. So that is what, so for the things I'm keeping, 32, and the lipstick, which is 17. So I paid for my box. My box definitely got paid for with the things that I'm keeping, with just the primer. So my box was paid for by just the one item, and then 9, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So a little over, you know, like almost $30 over being paid for. So you can say that my box was really worth it this month. I not only paid for my box, but got about $30 over that I'm personally keeping. And then, wow, 2 things for you guys that is about $60 for you guys in a giveaway. So I'm really happy with this month's box. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for putting awesome products in this month. We really needed it. We needed a boost. So thank you, BoxyCharm, for picking really good items this month. We needed a boost. Honestly, the sheet mask will come in very handy. We all needed it, like a little pick-me-up. And yeah, so I'm going to put all this away. I'm going to throw the box out, sanitize my hands, and get on with my day. I hope you all are safe, content, doing things each day to help your mental health, your physical health, and stay tuned for some craziness from me, because I'm going to be dropping in on you daily. Not daily. So I'm going to be dropping in on you at least once weekly, and I am sending you smiles, love, and hope for a better future. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be your own beautiful.